Gas booster pump is a kind of pressurization equipment that uses gas drive. Its principle is to generate a small area of piston at high pressure by using a large area of low-pressure gas drive to complete the pressurization of gas. This is a STD series air booster pump, a single-stage booster pump. Its pressurization ratio is 1/10, and the maximum output pressure can reach 80 bar. This is the drive gas inlet. This is the pressurized gas inlet. This is a high-pressure gas outlet. This is the pressurized part of the pump body that drives the compressed air. This model is manufactured on the basis of the STD series as a double-headed pump. It has 2 entrances and 2 exits. It can be used in pneumatic supercharger, pneumatic supercharging system, pneumatic supercharging device, etc.